Welcome to Catch the Ray, a fun and energetic game designed to encourage quick thinking, movement, and connection among participants. To begin, arrange chairs in a circle, ensuring there is one fewer chair than the total number of players. The leader in the middle introduces themselves with a fun fact before starting the game with a phrase, "Catch the ray if you," followed by a category that applies to multiple players. Catch the ray if you have a pet, or catch the ray if you drank coffee this morning. Everyone who fits the category must quickly stand and find a new seat, while the leader also scrambles to secure an open chair. The person left without a seat becomes the new leader, coming up with the next statement to keep the game going. Once more than half the group has had a turn as the leader, the game winds down, and participants gather for a brief reflection. Encourage a discussion using questions such as, "What was the most surprising or funniest category?" And "How did it feel to be in the middle and think of a new statement?" Catch the Ray is more than just a game. It's an opportunity to break the ice, spark conversations, and build a sense of community.